How to get Fox News Channel on Roku. If you own a Roku device, watching Fox News is quick and simple. The easiest way is by adding the Fox News Channel app directly from the Roku Channel Store. Start by pressing the Home button on your Roku remote. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels. In the search bar, type Fox News and select the official Fox News Channel app. Once installed, open the Fox News app from your channel list. You'll be asked to sign in with your TV provider account to unlock live broadcasts. If you don't have a cable subscription, don't worry. You can still watch Fox News through live TV streaming services that work on Roku, like Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, or Fubo TV. Just install the service app, sign up, and search for Fox News within it. Another option is to use the free Fox Now app on Roku, which offers clips, highlights, and some on-demand news content. For full live coverage, the TV provider or streaming subscription is required, and that's it. Now you can watch Fox News Channel right from your Roku device. Thanks for watching.